Here is how you change your country in Zara app. Let's get started. First, open the Zara app on your Android phone. Make sure you are on the home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap onto the location and you will be taken to the region selection screen with a full list of supportive countries. Now find and select the new country you want to shop from. Now tap Save. Then the app will reload and update language, currency and shipping settings. You are now browsing Zara from your selected country. Double check that the region and language are correct. You are now browsing Zara from your selected country. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.